Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius Placements. This is your love reading ngayong September. Okay, so ang ating titingnan is yung new person na nagugustuhan mo. Okay, and syempre, pagkatapos nyan, the person on your mind. Okay, the person on your mind. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye item, sa ating love bracelet, and sa ating granter, and syempre doon sa ating bagong item for cleansing, okay, para makapag-avoid ng negativities. Okay, so just message me sa akin na FB page. Okay, so let's start, Sag, with the new person. Okay, the new person, yung nagugustuhan mo ngayon. Syempre, pwedeng wala pa kayong romantic connection, no, ng taong to. Anyway, let's see. Okay, so the new person Sagittarius thinking about. Okay, let's see. So how do you view, okay, how do you see this new person, Sag? Okay, how do you view them? Anong meron dyan? Tingnan natin. How do you see this new person? What? The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Ang aga. Why? Why the Wheel of Fortune in reversed? In general, pwedeng hindi kayo sabihin natin parang magtagpo. Okay? Parang feeling mo ang hirap niyang i-approach. Anything like that, no? Anything na pwedeng sabihin nating negats agad. Parang ganyan. Why the Wheel of Fortune in reversed? The Seven of Swords in reversed. Some of you, this is specific. Okay? Nakikita mo tong taong to na marami siyang tinatago. Okay? Na marami siyang, sabihin nating, marami kang gustong malaman, pero feeling mo kahit hindi mo malaman is, parang masyado ng obvious. Okay? So, that's specific. Specific yun, Anyway, some of them, nakukuha ko yung energy na parang tingin mo sa kanila napakasinungaling. I don't know why, kung bakit mo to nagugustuhan. Okay? Or something lang na pwedeng may mga itinatago sila sa past nila. Okay? So, let's see. How do this person sees you? Siya naman, ano bang tingin niya sa'yo? Tingnan natin, Sag. The Star in reverse. Feeling niya, hindi mo siya gusto. Yeah, hindi ka attracted sa kanya. Yun ang tingin niya, ha? Yun ang tingin niya. Oh, God. Okay. Closed off. They see you as the Star in reversed. Unattracted. Okay, so maybe, yes. Unattracted in general. Why the Star in reverse? And the Eight of Swords. Wala ka rin pinapakitang kung ano, emosyon, attention sa kanya. Closed off ka. You're silent maybe. Okay. Tingin niya meron kang sabihin nating mga thoughts pagdating sa kanya. Yes. Alam niya na meron kang hindi nagugustuhan sa kanya. Parang ganun. Ramdam niya. Okay? So, let's see. Ano bang emosyon nito towards you? This person. The new person. Bakit ganito? 'Di ba? Napaka walang romantic connection talaga, no? Pero bakit nyo nagugustuhan itong taong to or vice versa? Let's see ha, ano bang emosyon niya towards you, Sag? This new person, the Five of Swords. This person is giving you mixed signals maybe or confusion. Okay, why the Five of Swords? Why? Yeah, they're conflicted. They're a juggler. Okay, they're a juggler. Some of you you're interested sa isang tao na sabihin nating may mga conflicts pagdating sa relasyon. Some of you may kakonekto and you're hiding your feelings o pagdating sa kanya, pero ramdam ng taong tong meron kang something for them. Okay? Okay. See, the Empress. There is attraction, I think. Mahirap to, Sag, kasi baka mamaya itong taong to, yes, pwedeng may chance na landiin ka nito, ha? They're a juggler. This is specific, I'm seeing this new person na pwedeng meron ka connect pero nagugustuhan mo. Okay? Some of them, they're trying to sabihin natin parang harot-haroting ka. Oo. Ha? Okay? So, yeah. Pero iba sa inyo, nakikita ka niya na hindi ka nagpapakita ng attention or attraction. Okay? What? They're a juggler. Trying to confuse you, trying to breadcrumb you maybe, or give you mixed signals. What is their next action towards you, this new person? Yeah, the Four of Cups in reversed. Oh no. Why? Why the Four of Cups in reversed? Yeah, the Page of Wands. Yes, if-flirt ka nyan. If-flirt ka nito. Ha? Sag, be careful. Yeah, there's a love offer coming. Be careful. Andito yung Death. Ha? Okay, yeah, the Two of Wands in reversed. Magiging open to, maybe, sa flirt. This is flirt. I'm feeling flirt. Emotion of flirting. Okay? Yeah. Maybe intention nito is talagang maging open ka sa kanya or ma-attach ka or whatsoever. Sabihin nating hindi ka gagantuhin ito, hindi ka lalandiin yan kung walang kuwang hints yan sa'yo, ha? Okay, na gusto mo rin siya. Okay? So, ano advice for you, Sag? They will try to flirt. Ha? Okay, ano advice for you, Sag? The Ace of Cups. Oh my golly. Why? What's with that Ace of Cups? The Four of Swords. Pagdating sa emosyon mo, hanggat maaari, kung alam mong kaya mong maging silent, gawin mo. Okay? Gawin mo. Pag-isipan mo kung tama bang dito mo ibibigay itong Ace of Cups mo. Which is your love, your emotions. Is this worth it? Worth it ba to? Okay, you have the Hermit in reversed. Hindi, sa tingin ko hindi. No, hindi mo makita eh. Yes, sabihin natin, yeah, nagugustuhan mo lang siya, pero kapag tinry kang i-flirt nito, and yes, they will in the near future, or sa ngayon nga, pwedeng ginagawa na niya. Kung kaya mong dumistansya, kung kaya mong maging silent, kung kaya mong i-block, kung kaya mong hindi na lang din magpakita ng attention, or kung kaya mong hindi kausapin itong taong to, do it. Okay? Yun lang. Okay, so let's continue with the past. With the person on your mind. Okay. para sabihin kong past. Maybe some of you, okay, this person na iniisip mo yun is a past person. May chance. Anyway, so, yeah, in general, who is this person you're thinking about right now? Okay, let's see the person on Sagittarius mind. Who is this? Tingnan natin. Need ko pang i-shuffle. Hang on. One more. The person on Sagittarius mind. Okay. Sino to? Sino itong iniisip mo, Sag? Okay. The Chariot and yeah, a past person. Pwedeng Cancer yan. Or pwedeng meron siyang Cancer. Cancer yan. Pagdating sa birth chart niya. Birth chart, yeah. Placements, no. Chariot in reversed. And the Ten of Wands in reversed. I think some of you, you're moving on sa taong to. You're trying, maybe. Okay? Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. This is a past person's energy. Maybe ikaw itong lumayo sa kanya or nag-give up sa taong to. Okay? Some of them ay specific. Napakatamad nitong taong to. Opo, napakatamad. I don't know paano mo nakitaan ang pagkatamad itong taong to, pero yes, nandun yung general na salita na tamad. Okay. Wala silang ginagawang effort or wala silang ginawang effort pagdating sa connection nyo before maybe. Let's see. Ano bang situation ninyo aside sa separation? Okay. Ano ba ang situation pa ninyo nitong taong to? Okay, the Two of Swords in reverse. Yes, pwedeng gumawa ka ng decision dito, no? Yeah. Oh, yun lang talagang pinapakita. The Two of Swords in reverse and the Lovers in reverse. Yeah, the Ten of Swords. Ang dami ng mga energy ng endings. Talagang sa sitwasyon, siguro pinaka-best pa, no? Oo. Best na choice, best option, or sabihin nating best decision na ginawa mo is yung pakikipag-separate, pakikipaghiwalay sa taong to. Okay? I think some of you, nung nagsimula kang makipaghiwalay dito, naging okay yung finances mo. That is specific. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Pero may nakuha akong ganong energy. Okay? Ano bang meron? Ano bang nangyari sa past? Let's see. Silipin natin ng kauntian, ha, Sag? Ano bang nangyari sa past? Ano bang nangyari sa inyo nitong taong to sa past? There is no stability. Some of you, wala talaga kayong naging or nagkaroon. Hindi kayo nagkaroon ng label before. Or in general, there is no stability pagdating sa connection. Okay? Some of you talaga hindi ka binigyan ng label nito kasi pwedeng sabihin nating may mga option itong taong to. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Wands in reversed. The Page of Wands. Hindi nagkaroon ng pag-level up itong connection nyo before. So, I think hindi fair or hindi equal, no? Yung emosyon or kung ano man pagdating dito sa connection nyo na to or sa relasyon nyo na to. Pero yes, I don't see this as a relationship. I'm just seeing this as a connection. Okay, napakababaw na connection. I'm sorry, pero yeah. Let's see what is their emotions, no? Ngayon, pagdating sa'yo, ano bang emosyon ng taong to sa'yo, Sag? Anong emosyon nila for you? The Six of Wands in reverse. They want you to chase them. Yes, they want you to chase them. Don't do it. Okay? Don't. Some of you, they will try to to make you jealous. Okay? May mga ganun. Okay, anyway. So, the Six of Swords, the Six of Wands in reversed. As their emotions. Okay. Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. Ang nakuha ko rito is, andoon yung bitterness, nandun yung galit. Kasi, yun nga may chance na parang kinaya mong umalis sa kanya. Okay? Kinaya mo. Pwedeng kasing sabihin natin before is talagang na-strong along ka Okay? Like, parang nakatali dito sa taong to. Pero, I don't know. Pwedeng kinat off mo yung nagtatali sa'yo, sa kanya. Okay? Ayaw niya nun. Yeah. Emosyon nito ngayon, sabihin natin, maraming sabi natin panghihinayang rin. Okay? Maraming nasayang pagdating dyan sa connection ninyo. Yeah, see, the Ace of Cups universe, maraming natapon. Okay? Well, deserve ba? Deserve ba ng taong to yung nararamdaman niya ngayon? Comment down below. Oh, say deserve. Oh, diba? Deserve. I think so. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so anong outcome or advice para sa inyo nitong iniisip mo ngayon? Okay. No. Gusto ko munang tingnan ano ba yung next action. Hindi pa pala. Sige, next action ng taong to. Next action ng taong to pagdating sa'yo, Sag. What is their next action? The Three of Swords. What? Hanggat kaya nitong saktan ka, sasaktan ka niyan. Okay? Kahit anong paraan. Kahit, yes. Kasi yun nga hindi nga sila okay. Hindi sila okay. So, gusto nila, some of them nakakaramdam sila ng selos. Okay? Kasi, yun nga, pwedeng nagiging okay ka or sabihin nating nagawa mo na umalis sa kanya. Okay? And, I think, yeah, in general, nakaramdam to ng hindi tama or sabihin nating pain sa ginawa mo. Okay? So, may chance na ganun din yung gagawin niya sa'yo. Kahit anong paraan. Three of Swords ang gagawin niya. Why? Why the Three of Swords? What's with that? The Moon in reverse. Gusto ko nitong makitang nasasaktan rin. Okay? Yeah. Gusto nilang makita ka na nasasaktan ka rin. Give up mo to. Yes. Ito yung taong give up mo na pwedeng before sabihin natin ginawa mo lahat. Okay? See? The Ten of Pentacles. Some of you, maganda ang kaperahan mo ngayon. Nakakausad-usad ka. Ito, hindi. So, ano ang advice for you, Sag? Or outcome? Okay. Yeah, the King of Wands. Stand on your ground. Okay. Hanggat kaya mong mag-improve pa, mag-improve ka pa. Okay. So, don't let this person, sabihin nating, mamanipulate ka. Okay? Kasi they will try to manipulate you. Okay? Huwag mong hayaang maapektuhan ka. Yeah, see? Focus on your career, focus on yourself, focus on something new, not on this past person. Okay? Alam mo, ang pinaka magandang revenge dito is having lots of progress, improvement. Okay? The best yun. Yeah. The best yun. See? The Queen of Swords. Ang laki na pang hinayang nito sa'yo, Sag. Sa totoo lang, kung nakikita mo lang. Okay? Some of you, may chance ng new connection na paparating if you're interested. Pinapakita lang dito, and this is something na pwedeng sabihin nating for long term na. Okay? The Ace of Pentacles. Yes. Kung gusto nyo yun, huwag kayong papa-apekto dito sa past. Okay? Wala akong nakikita ditong pagkikipagbalikan or whatsoever. You're dropping this. You're dropping this. And talagang sabihin nating sobrang laki ng apekto ng ginawa mo na pag-alis. Ang laki ng apekto, ang laki ng hurt ng taong to. Sa sitwasyon, sa'yo. Don't let this person, na makapasok sa energy mo. Okay? So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Sag. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.